Hello everyone and welcome back to today after the US elections. Now as you can see, the market had a big spike up and a big spike down, so there was a lot of volatility yesterday, and as you can see, the market is back pretty much where it was 2 days ago in the beginning of the week. So this is the euro dollar. As you can see, it went up and then it just recovered back to where it was. So this actually tells us that the market is not going to take a big hike. There's just going to be a bit of settling down, I reckon, until the market starts to short the euro dollar again. So that's a great opportunity. That's actually a good impression that we have from this price move up and then all the way back down again. The market thinks, well, business is as usual. So what we're going to do with the euro dollar is take advantage of this opportunity, and as the market moves down, we're going to start shorting, and I think it's a good opportunity to carry on shorting the euro dollar. So let's just stick to that. As you can see, there we go. Here we have the trend line here, and we can just do that, and here's our channel there. Okay, so what we'd like to do is follow the euro dollar. I think it's a good opportunity to just keep shorting it as every time the market moves slightly up. The ripple effect will still carry on. However, that doesn't mean that we can't trade, simply because the election is over. I think the market, when it opens in the US today, it'll come back to its senses and it'll just carry on business as usual. So euro dollar, my perspective on that is, if it raises its head up, just keep shorting it, and keep this channel as a guideline, and at the bottoms buy, at the tops and the higher levels sell. Let's take a look at the dollar franc. Same kind of scenario here. As you can see, the market shorted it exactly on this resistance line, and now it's picking it up here. So let's just get rid of that and let's make a channel out of that to see how it will work out for us. Because with the dollar franc, what we're wanting to see now is a strengthening in the dollar. Okay, Trump, we'll see how he's going to be for the economy, but market consensus is that business is as usual, because dollar franc is basically up where it was in the first place yesterday, as you can see. So it's not a big drama. Dollar franc still looking to go long on this currency pair. I reckon, especially if it breaks out from here, you'd be looking to go longer in the long run. Just let me check out another chart here. Great. Let's take a look at the dollar yen, and let's take a look at that. Here is our dollar yen right now. Let's turn this into a daily. You'll see that the market is still in this range. Okay, the sideways range here. The market is actually sideways on many things, including the euro, dollar, franc. If you look at the daily chart or the weekly chart, you'll see that it's just trading in an up and low range. It's in between that range. So here as well, with the dollar yen, what we have on a 4-hour chart is an advantage here, and our resistance just going to be here, as you can see. And if the market breaks above that, I think it has potential to go higher. So dollar yen, as the market pulls back, we should be buying, I reckon, in order to follow that up. So the dollar yen range is, let's check out this range here. Okay, there we go. So dollar yen, I reckon, is good to buy at support levels around 102.80. If it does pull back, I think this is a kind of pair that we should be longing. Dollar franc, quickly taking a look at that. Oh, we already had a look at the dollar franc, didn't we? So what else have I got here? The dollar Canadian. Dollar Canadian went short from the bottoms yesterday. I did draw these. I said this was good to buy if the market popped into this range. And as you can see, the market came here and it went skyrocketing up again. So I think this is also good to buy on pullbacks. So what we need to do is follow the dollar Canadian into an up mode. Okay, so what we want to do is really start buying on pullbacks on the dollar Canadian, as you can see here. Okay, today a good pullback level was around 33.20. It might not even pop down that much today, even though we're still in a volatile situation, I think any pullback to around the center level is a good opportunity to buy the dollar Canadian. Let's take a look at gold because that was pretty volatile, and that's where we're at. See, that's the trend line, kind of bounced off from there. The market shot up, came back down. Let's just delete that. I think gold, good to short again if it goes up. So we want to short when the price is high. So all you have to do is basically just wait for these pullbacks to kind of eventuate. Now this is a 4-hour chart, so the bars are quite big. So all you have to do is go to your 1-hour chart, move this forward, and you'll see a bit more easy for you. As soon as the market starts hopping back up again, what you can do is start to short. I think business is going to be as usual in Wall Street. By the time things take a radical change and Trump goes into the office, that's going to be 2017 January. So until then, I think the market's just going to carry on what it was doing before, and everything would have been priced in by then. So if you're trading gold, just be mindful that this gold still has some potential to pop down even lower before it picks up to buy again. Let's just put this on a daily, and this is a daily chart. As you can see, the market is pretty much where it was before in the middle of the week on Monday when it opened, as you can see here. So basically the market's reaction is, well, doesn't matter. Okay, so who wins the election, the market will somehow carry on where it left off. Let's take a look at oil as well. Finally, yesterday I said this was a good area to buy. As you can see, the market started picking up from here. These are the ranges in oil. So this is a good buy region, this is a good buying region, and I think from here it'll pick up to come to around this area here, and then we'll see how that eventuates. So if you're a gold trader, I reckon if you're an oil trader, I reckon oil is good to be bought from around this level to be pushed up to around here. Right then, after that election, hope things are a bit smoother. Today, tomorrow, volatility will kind of settle down and it's back to usual. So a lot of opportunities in the market. So join us at CM Trading.